Anga hindi changa. Anga hindi changa.
Why do you say like that?
Nga nang hindi.
Now this one is I
Nga
know Hindi.
nang hindi. मुझे हिंदी आती है. मुझे हिंदी आती है. I know Hindi.
Hindi आती है.
I know Hindi.
Hindi आती है. Okay.
Hey.
Now this time we start from here going up.
I know Hindi. Magi Hindi आता है.
Again.
Magi Hindi आता है. Naga nang Hindi.
In Khasi. Again.
Naga nang Hindi. Which is very simple. Naga nagi Hindi. Garo anga Hindi kene. Anga Hindi. Hello, Meghalaya people. Shillong.
Kumno pilong paralog.
Oh, like it.
For the Shillong people, we don't know how to say hello everyone in Garo, and in Hindi you know how to say.
You know? Yeah.
How do you
Namaste.
say? Namaste.
Kya hua?
Kya hua? How are you? How do you say?
Kya hua?
Kya hua?
In Tilgo, Baunara.
Paunara. In Khasi, kumno pilong paralog, but only in Garo we don't know. So today we are going to watch this video. Is like we will be learning Garo, Khasi, Hindi,
yes, and Garo.
English translation. Okay, so let us know from where you're watching also, guys. So we are going to learn, and we are so happy to maybe next time we'll also learn the pnar, the Jantia language, guys. So we are reacting from Elina Sangma. Elina Sangma. Okay, so welcome. Tell them your name. Maybe Garo people will get to know you today.
Nimaru Muhit.
This is Mohib, guys.
I guess I'm famous in this channel, in our channel. So many people they used to see me, but last few days I was not feeling well. But now, yeah.
Okay, we have to move, guys. And this is Gabs, Gabi, guys. Yeah, let's do this. Start. Yeah, let's go. Today she's going to teach us Garo Khasi.
I'm curious about this video, to be honest. Very curious. So we'll be learning new word, new alphabet, new language, which is my hobby.
Rumsak so tayan asong sa kanti ko nang channel na. Dali video sentence nang ko na asong sa kaya mengberi ku sikci di mga asong ni video chamang ko nang ade ang channel si ang ibo
speaking Garo.
video nang ko nam niken
Which language is speaking?
Khasi.
So G for Garo, K for Khasi, H for Hindi.
Subscribe ka na ba na ba rubel like ko ba step cholbo ang video upload karong ko na asong lukson naman agata nga di mahaching jol scan ka ba chang na.
I think she's from Assam.
Maina na ara dege agana. Maina na ara dege agana. Balay piong kumne.
Maina.
Balay piong kumne.
In Khasi, balay
तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why do you say like that? Why do you say like that?
In English, why do you say like that? Okay, so I'll start first. In why do you say like that?
Okay.
So in Hindi, they will say, "Tumne aisa kion kaha." Okay, "Tumne aisa kion kaha." That is Hindi.
That's okay. You will say one, I will say the other one.
No, you have to pronounce yours alone. Let's see. Let's see who have the best pronunciation. Okay. So why do you say like that?
Okay.
Tumne aise keon kaha. In Khasi, balay pi ong kim ne. In Garo, we say maina na ara dake agana. So start from.
It was so funny. Now you will see the real this tank. You don't know what my can do. The real white line. You don't know my can't what can do. Hey, let me shock you. Let me tell you.
Okay, start. They are waiting.
Why do you say like this, like that? Tumne Asia kion kaha.
Again?
Tumne Asia kion kaha in Hindi. In Khasi, you say Bali biya on tiap ne. Bali biya on
Balay.
Bale pia. No pia. I overhear that she was saying Pia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bali.
Pia on Tiem Ne.
Kimne. Okay. Next in
Maria
Garo.
na Aradike
Slowly,
Agana.
slow.
Because I'm local. I just used to
Speak
talk it
slowly.
by nature. So for
Speak
you,
slowly.
I know
slowly.
it's difficult for
they
you.
want
so.
to listen to you. Don't cheat them. You are cheating them so fast.
No, sorry.
If you don't know something, you will make it so fast. But
No.
if you know, you have the confidence, you will speak slowly. So
I have the confidence.
Slowly.
So I'll break it down for him because he's
Garo,
not from
say.
our community. So I'm going to break it
I'm
down.
from Khasi, so definitely I know Garo language.
So I will teach you. Menya na Arabica Agana.
Okay, guys.
Menya na
Tell us the
Arabica
first part. Who
Agana.
won, guys?
Nani.
Tell us. Let's start.
Vote for me.
Let's vote for VPP, guys. Don't forget VPP forever. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go.
As we continue moving.
Anga hindi changa.
Why do you say like that?
Anga hindi
Now
changa.
this one is I know
Nga
Hindi.
nang hindi. Nga nang hindi.
Changa.
मुझे हिंदी आती है.
Nang Hindi.
मुझे हिंदी आती है.
Hindi ati.
I know Hindi.
Hindi ati hai.
I know Hindi.
Now this time we start from here going up.
I know Hindi.
Hmm.
Maji Hindi ata hai.
Again.
Maji Hindi ata hai. Naga nang Hindi.
In Khasi. Again.
Naga nang Hindi. Which is very simple. Naga
Garo?
nagi Hindi. In Garo, anga Hindi kene. Anga Hindi. Like, do you remember like I said anga issue.
Anga.
Anga de what you.
Again repeating Garo.
Anga Hindi chane shange. Anga Hindi change.
Okay, let me tell mine, then they will say in part 2 who made it, okay? So in English, I know Hindi. In Hindi, mujhe Hindi ati hai. According to what they wrote it. Okay, mujhe Hindi ati hai. In Khasi, naga nang Hindi. Naga nang Hindi. Very simple.
Yes.
In Garo, hanga Hindi changa. Changa. Tell us who made it, guys.
Let's be honest. Who made it?
Tell us who is the winner. Let's go. Start.
Yaman.
Naara sawa. P day mano. P day mano. आप कौन है?
Sawa. This is who are you?
आप कौन है? Who are you?
Okay.
Who are you?
Okay. Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
In Hindi. Aap khan hai. Aap khan hai in Hindi.
Khan
Hai.
It's not up khan. Up con.
No, aap khan hai.
Con.
That's
I know Hindi, man. I
drop
have
your
Hindi
look.
friends.
Drop your
Hindi
comment.
friends.
Video.
They use up con. Con hai.
Maybe it is
Con
not.
hai.
But
There is
what
no
the-
Hindi
what-
word they
what-
say can.
What I wrote here.
Okay, continue yours.
Aap kon hai. Hai.
Correct now.
I said it from beginning.
Next.
Day mano.
P.
Day mano. Day mano, which is very
Pronounce this.
Pia. Day mano.
Before you said it fast, it's P, not PR. There is no A. If A
You don't know
is
the
there,
meaning of P.
if A is there after I, then it will be like this. Okay, continue. P.
D mano. This is
Correct.
very easy. Number 1.
Garo.
Naara sawa. Naara sawa.
I think you should be Garo only, but I have to be Khasi because this guy's pronunciation with Garo is always correct, but with Khasi is wrong. So it's gonna be our African brother
Translator.
from Garo, like he's gonna be
Yes.
the minister of international student
I'm telling you.
from Africa
And
for
I
the
learned so
Garo
fast.
student.
I'm faster than my shadow.
Okay.
Information.
So in English, who are you?
Hey.
In Hindi, aap kaun hai? 100% I'm sure. So in Khasi, P de mano. P de mano. Yeah, because I'm from Khasi, I can't fail that. But in Garo, they say na ara sawa. Is from Garo. So that is it, guys. We'll end here for part 1. Part 2 will
If you like
continue
it,
later.
just hit your
We
comment.
want to see, guys. Tell us, should we make more kind of this video?
Yeah.
If more interest is there, it's just like marketing.
Yes.
More demand, then we'll make it for you guys
Yes,
because we don't want to create a boring content, right?
Yes.
We know you are sacrificing your time to watch us. So just tell us what you like, then we'll do it, right?
Which is very true, sir.
Yes, sir. That is
Yaman,
it.
yaman.
Thank you so much, guys. Tell us, how do you say hello everyone in Garo?
Baunara.
That's not Garo, that's Telugu. In
Ah.
Garo, how do you say it? And next time we'll check more, guys. Thank you so much. Kuble Shibon.
Love from Africa.
Kuble Shibon. Danyabad. Thank you so much.
Dhanyawad.
Shukran. Thank you.
Shukriya.
Till next time.
Papa. Yes. Maka.
Paka.
Ayun, ayun.